Joseph James. But don't worry about that, man. Ask who is him granduncle. Alright? Who is him granduncle? A rich man. Rich? How rich?
For over 50 years, he gifted us with performances on stage and the screen. He often gave us laughter and always gave us heart, leaving a creative legacy and the fond memories.
Wait, not even tell me that. Oliver, just smile and nod, man. Freely you give, freely you shall receive, sister.
He performed his first theatrical production while attending St. Andrew Technical High School in Kingston. After that production, A Christmas Carol, in which he played the Monsieur Scrooge. The following year, Johnson, still a schoolboy, did his first commercial theatre production, More Please, in 1970. Then, in 1972, Johnson made his big screen debut in The Harder They Come, where he was the handcart boy who stole Jimmy Cliff things. Other 1970s plays includes Operation P, Love and Marriage, The Rapist, Junction Village, Amen Corner, Rose Slip, and Pillars in the Mud. In the 1980s, the prolific Johnson did a number of pantomimes, Tantaloo, Trash and Schoolers among them. Plays including Higgler's, Stepfather, Room for Rent, and The Toy Boy, which won Johnson the Actor Boy Award for Best Actor in 1996. It was in the 1990s that Johnson said he really took acting serious, after the Oliver at Large series took off, thus allowing him to leave his day job in the sugar industry. He had done steel fabrication after leaving Stats, and then dabbled in chicken rearing.
People in Maffie, 627. Give generously. You know, if they give $20 aid at $12,540, that. Give generously.
Johnson stepped into the director's role once on a production for Ginger Night. He has also written skits for other persons, but never a full-length play. He also did a number of Jambi's productions, Pinocchio, Children, and Breadfruit Kingdom among them. There were the UK productions Trench Town and Used.
No, man, but me have that chocolate for a long time till it get soft.
What? What that?
A poem.
For me?
Yes.
You read it.
Since the turn of the century, he appeared in Strength of a Woman, Below the Waist, Bashman Granny 2, and The Serious Business. Johnson has also done several sitcoms, including Lime Tree Lane, Just One More, Claffy, and The Sarge in Charge. He also went into radio with Fame FM's Full House Fridays. Claffy bestowed upon him one of his 3 popular names, the other 2 being Maffie from Oliver at Large and Fished from Tracks. Volier Johnson passed on Friday, July 9th from a heart attack. He died in hospital shortly after reportedly collapsing at home. In 2013, the Jamaican government bestowed upon Volier the Order of Distinction, Jamaica's 6th highest honor for service to the arts.
Give thanks, Sister Beatrice, and give generously. You can't take your riches to heaven. Oh.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!